Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to replace the battery in a Gant Lady Watch. Let's get started. Use the tweezer to push the pin and release the strap in order to be able to open the back case. Adjust the case back opener tool to match the diameter of the watch back plate. Then, gently rotate it counterclockwise to release the back plate slightly. Use the friction ball tool to rotate counterclockwise the back plate. Remove the back plate with the tweezers. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or tweezers to pull it out. Using the tweezers, gently remove the old battery from the watch. Be sure to handle it with care to avoid damaging the internal mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into the watch. Before closing the case finally, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. Use the tweezers screw clockwise the back plate. Use the friction ball watch case opener to screw the back plate clockwise into place. Twist with the case back opener tool in a clockwise direction until it is sealed tightly. Place back the pin in the strap hole and position it with the spring bar tool. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.